So this question is find a k beautiful number. So given the nums and then k, and then given the integer num and k, return a k beautiful num. So what is k beauty is this. So you can read over it and then they just jump into the solution. So what we have to do is we have to know the size of I mean the integer k that is represent the size of the small window between you know 0 to all the way to the last index in the nums. And this num is integer, so we need to convert to the string. So if this is the case, k equal to 2, we need to take, that small window every single time until the end, right? So it has to include the last one, right? So the substring has to be what? Until the last one, right? And then once we get the substring, which is the little windows, the value, then we do the mod, mod by this guy. If this is equal to 0, then we increment the count. Otherwise, we are not adding. So this is a pretty straightforward solution. So let's just say we need to return a result. And for before we do this, so for string, what I need to do is like b equal to string dot value of num, and then I will have to traverse, and then all the way to the last guy. And the point is I need to find out what is so for example k equal to 2, right? And if my I is already the last one, how can I plus k? Like how can I substitute a k? So I have to know this is a starting, this is an ending. So it should be I plus k. This is a constraint that I will be able to know this substring, this small window is still valid in the length of the string. So in X is going to be represent integer dot parsing. So string to integer is parsing, and then v dot substring from I equal to I plus k, right? So your I will keep increment starting from 0, and then your k will be always the same, but I plus k is depending on I, right? So you want to know this substring is a valid, uh, you know, boundary, right? So if x is equal to 0, because it is possible you have 0, right? 0, 0, that is represent what? Integer dot parsing is going to be represent what? 0, right? So you will just continue. Else you just say result plus equal the nums, the mod by x. So num we are not touching, right? And then this is going to be the x, right? And then if num mod by x is equal to 0, plus 1, else 0. Alright, submit. Cool. So let's talk about time and space. So space is constant, like time. This is all of them, and this is substring, right? So substring, we already know the index, and we already know like what is the last index we want to substring. So currently, this is considered all of 1, right? So the worst case like all of n, and yeah, the worst case all of n for the time. All right. See you later. Bye.